Hello my lovelies, welcome back. I'm glad you are here again. Or if you are new here, I'm Maria from Maria Cousteau Designs and welcome to my channel. In this part of the series, I'm going to show you all the accessories, optional as well, what you need for your first stitch as a beginner. In the first two parts of the series, we talked about all the fabrics and all the threads, what you can use. So remember, for your first one, use 14 count Aida and use any floss what you like or you have already. The next thing I recommend is a hoop as a beginner because it's easy to hold your fabric when you are stitching. There are two options. So you've got the wooden ones, like different sizes or even tinier. You can put the fabric in between and it holds it tight, so you can use that one, or you can try out these bunny ears. I think it's called ear hoops because of this. So how you use it is you take it out like that and you put it between the fabric. Okay, so you put the fabric in here and you're gonna attach this part over here. Okay, so you push them together. It's a little bit hard. Put it right in the middle, and that definitely not move any of your fabric. So I start to love these ones as well. They are really good and they are coming in different sizes as well. The second most important thing is your needle. So you've got lots of different choices. If you ordered anything from DMC, you're gonna get a needle from them. So this is original DMC. What I recommend is these ones. It doesn't matter what company, but on the top it has to be gold. I don't know how you can see it. So gold and silver on the bottom, because these are the easiest ones to use for beginners. But there are these types as well. These are embroidery as well, but it's full silver. Also, you need something to hold your needles in. So either you keep it in the box, or you can have like these plastic boxes and you just take out the thread you like. Oh gosh. And these ones are gold tops as well. Now I have to put them back. These are good because I don't know how you can see, these are not sharp, so it won't hurt yourself, and they are coming in different sizes. So you can see that on the top, the loop, this one is really big, but this one is tiny. Now the threads or flosses, so you can keep them in different ways. You can keep it either like this, it's like a plastic bobbin. You can have wooden ones like animal shaped or even paper one, and the end you attach here, so you always find it and it's not going to move away. If you have a leftover thread, you can make a loop in here in this hole and it's gonna just come off from here. So it looks like this. Yeah, or you can have one of these. So I showed you the plastic one already, and I've got this wooden one. It's exactly the same, and I'll show you how I used it in one of my stitches. So for example, you just write down the number of the floss and the shape or the symbol under it. Now what I did on this one is when you blend two colors together. So how I'm doing it, it's like here, I add the two colors next to each other, make a little kind of arrow between them and write down, draw down the symbol. So I know if there is this little line here between the two, I have to mix the two together. So I need one skein from this one and one skein from this one. So when you are stitching it, there is two different colors attached together. Next one is needle threader, which can come different sizes, okay, or different shapes. How you use it is you have your needle and you're gonna push through the hole like this. Okay, you're gonna make the thread go through. Now hold it together, the thread and the needle, and push the needle threader through. Okay, that's it. Now here we go, and that's it. Okay, with this one, it's up to you which one you use, but you have to check if it fits. Okay, so you go through the needle, the hole, okay. Now go through the hold the thread here, okay, and just pull it through. Next, you need something which can cut your thread. The most well-used option is a scissor, small and sharp. Okay, but you can have something like this. This is great when you are going on a holiday or going on airport and you can't take your scissors with you. So here between these lines, here there are like sharp knife style cutting pieces in there. So I'm going to show you how we use it. So you got your thread, you hold it with one hand, okay, go through one of the lines and just pull it, and it cuts really easily. Yeah, so you can use this on holiday. It's easy and small, and you can take it on the airport and the airplane. Also, one of my favorite things, I love needle minders. Now, the only needle minders I have are all Harry Potter, and I'm proud of it. Okay, so here is one of them. Okay, it was a pin which my husband cut off, the sharp part, and I attached a little magnet to it, and there is another magnet go through. Okay, so how you do it, you've got, let's say here is your fabric, you put this on one side, like on the front, and you put the other magnet on the other side of the fabric, and it's gonna stay there. And what it's gonna do, when you finish stitching or you have to go get some drink, whatever, you put your needle and attach to it, and it's not gonna fall down because the magnet holds it. So it's really good when you are losing lots of needles like I did before, but now I can keep them nice and secure. Now the next few things are optional, so you can use, this is called thread wax. So how you're gonna use it is, you have your thread and you're gonna, as you can see, there are 3 holes in there. You hold it down in one hand, go through, like just pull it, this goes through the wax, and it helps not to tangle all together, so it keeps nice and straight. But it's optional, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. I usually use them in larger pieces, not in the small stitches what I do. Okay, another thing is a tape measure, because you need to know how big a fabric you need for your pattern. So It's easy to use, it's like a key ring, but you can choose any, even if the free IKEA one what I showed you in the previous video. Also with your pattern, I showed you this line finder. So when you have a bigger pattern, you put this on, and here in the middle you're gonna see exactly where you are on your pattern. When you finish this part, you can just move it to the next part, so you won't mix it up and you don't have to check, oh, where I am again in the pattern. You're gonna know exactly that your pattern, what you are stitching at the moment, is right here somewhere. Okay, this thing is very controversial. I don't like it. I can't even use it. This is goes on your finger. No, the other way around, like this. So when you are stitching, it doesn't hurt your finger, and it's easier to push through the needle if you have lots of stitches or you are using like free skeins for something. But I just can't use it. But it's up to you, because some people love it, some people don't. So just try it out and you will see if you like it or not. Okay, so there you go. This is your essential haul, what you need as a beginner for your first stitch, and some optional things as well at the end. I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comments below what you already have or what you are thinking of getting it now since you watched the video. If this video helped you, please consider to subscribe and like this video so you can see when I'm gonna upload my new video. I have a plan for a few more of these beginner cross stitch tutorials. So if you are really interested and really want to learn how to cross stitch and what to know about it, just keep watching the videos. If you like this video, you're gonna love the next one even better, because I'm going to give you a free pattern and we're going to stitch along together. So it's gonna be a really calm and stress-free video. Really hope you're gonna like it, because that's what because that's what cross stitch are for. It makes you happy, calm, stress-free in the evenings, all things good, and there is something nice and beautiful gonna come out of it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy stitching. Bye.